You think your daily coffee is just a delightful ritual, a harmless $5 happiness injection. But what if I told you it's a hidden tax on your life? That steaming cup is a financial mirage, a distraction from what your brain is really doing. You think you're buying energy, but you're buying a glitch in your financial system. Here's the twist. Your brain loves patterns. It's addicted to them. The coffee ritual feels like control. It's not. It's a trap. The real game is happening in the background. This isn't about caffeine. It's about how your brain tricks you into thinking small leaks are harmless. You're stuck in a cycle, paying a hidden tax called routine. It's not about the cost of a single cup, but the repetitive, unnoticed expense. Let's talk psychology. Cognitive bias at its finest. Your brain does mental accounting, separating small expenses from the bigger picture. You think the coffee cost is negligible, but the glitch is real. Each cup adds up. You're teaching your brain to ignore the cumulative effect. It's like buying a ticket to financial purgatory paid in daily sips. The illusion of control masks the real drain. You might think discipline is your savior. Think again. Your brain's wired to crave small rewards. It's loss aversion in action. You believe denying yourself this little luxury is a loss. The glitch? Your brain's default setting to overvalue immediate gratification. It's a brilliant survival tactic repurposed into a financial blind spot. Subconsciously, you equate a skipped coffee with deprivation. Wake-up call. Your brain is running a scarcity mindset program. It fears missing out on the small joys, like coffee. Irony, it's costing you the bigger dreams. This isn't about skipping coffee. It's about questioning the script your brain is running. You're wired to prioritize now over later. That's not a flaw. It's an unoptimized protocol waiting for an upgrade. You believe your discipline is a fortress. You've got your budget, your spreadsheets. You think they protect you from financial leaks. But here's the glitch. Discipline isn't the problem. It's the illusion. Your brain is running a background protocol called justification. It's sneaky. It tells you that a $5 coffee isn't a big deal. You rationalize it. Discipline gives you a false sense of control, ignoring the small, daily breaches. Your internal protocol is flawed. Let's dismantle the facade of luck. You might think some people are just lucky with money. Wrong. It's a misinterpretation of strategy. The real mechanism at play is decision fatigue. Every day, you have a finite amount of decision-making power. By indulging in small, seemingly harmless choices, you deplete your cognitive reserves. Your brain is tricked into thinking these trivial decisions are harmless, but they chip away at your capacity to make high-impact financial choices. Let's examine the illusion of mental accounting. Your brain creates categories for expenses. Coffee sits in the small indulgence category. But here's the glitch. Your brain doesn't integrate this category into the bigger financial picture. Mental accounting is a cognitive bias that fragments your financial perspective. It makes small, frequent expenses invisible. You overlook their cumulative impact. This is not a character flaw. It's a systemic oversight. You're playing a rigged game. Now consider the sunk cost fallacy. You've invested in this daily ritual. It owns a piece of your identity. When you consider skipping it, your brain protests. It argues that you've already sunk so much into this habit, the loss would be too great. This is the brain's default setting to avoid loss. It persuades you that abandoning the habit is wasteful. But the glitch is this. The cost of continuation is the real trap. This isn't about coffee. It's about the mind's resistance to change. Finally, let's expose the scarcity mindset. Your brain is wired to avoid missing out on small joys. It's a survival mechanism. But in modern life, this mindset creates a cognitive bias towards immediate gratification. You fear the void of happiness without your coffee. Yet, this fear is a misallocation of mental resources. Your brain is running an old program in a new world. Recognize the trick. The scarcity mindset is a misfire in judgment, not a personality defect. It's time to upgrade the system. Let's do the math, shall we? A $5 coffee every day isn't just $5. It's $1,825 a year. Over the next 10 years, that's $18,250. With moderate investment returns, it could be over $30,000. This isn't just about a cup of joe. It's about opportunity cost. Your brain dismisses the impact of micro expenses, but when you add them up, they snowball into a financial avalanche. Here's the irony. Your brain's pursuit of small joys is costing you big dreams. Pause and pivot. That mental wiring, the one tricking you into small indulgences, is actually a tool. It's a high-tier evolutionary mechanism. Redirected, it can transform. This isn't about deprivation, it's about leverage. Imagine reprogramming your brain to see the long-term gain in short-term restraint. The same cognitive bias that fuels your coffee habit can fuel investment in your future. It's not a bug, it's hidden leverage. The glitch is just in used potential. Your brain's old protocol is survival-driven. It's wired for immediate rewards. But here's the flip. You can rewire it for strategic foresight. Instead of seeing money as a tool for instant happiness, see it as a resource for freedom. You're not avoiding pleasure, you're reallocating it. This shift isn't about being frugal. It's about being strategic. Your brain's glitch is a gold mine when harnessed correctly. It's the ultimate mind hack. The real power move? Redirect the sunk cost fallacy. Instead of clinging to past habits, invest in future ones. Use your brain's resistance to loss as a motivator. Reallocate the funds you'd spend on coffee into something that compounds. Watch your brain adapt. Suddenly, the loss isn't in missing a coffee, it's in missing growth. This isn't just reprogramming, it's evolution. You're turning a liability into an asset. And now, scarcity mindset. Flip it. This mindset is a powerful survival tool. Redirect it. Instead of fearing the loss of small pleasures, channel it into the fear of missing out on big opportunities. Use the fear as fuel. The glitch isn't fear itself, it's the misdirection of it. When properly harnessed, this mindset becomes a catalyst for change. Your brain is primed for transformation. It's not about small sacrifices, it's about significant gains. Time to rewrite the protocol. No more chasing the caffeine dragon. Instead, implement a new internal system, conscious consumption protocol. This isn't about abstinence, it's about awareness. Each time you reach for that coffee, consider its cost in terms of your future. Ask yourself, does this serve my long-term strategy? This isn't an anti-coffee crusade, it's a pro-awareness campaign. Your brain's been tricked by the illusion of small costs. Now, it's time for the big reveal. Here's your sharp move. Implement a daily decision audit. It's simple. Every day, take a moment to review your micro decisions. Did they align with your financial goals? This isn't just about coffee. It's about every small expense. You're training your brain to integrate micro decisions into the macro picture. This isn't about guilt. It's about clarity. Your brain needs a system upgrade, not a moral lecture. This is a precision tool, not a blunt instrument. Next, embrace the power of automation. Automate your savings. Let technology do the heavy lifting. Your brain is a creature of habit. Use that to your advantage. Redirect the funds you'd spend on coffee into an automatic savings or investment account. This isn't about removing pleasure, it's about reallocating it. Let automation bypass your brain's default settings. Turn your habitual spending into habitual saving. It's not just smart, it's strategic evolution. Time to redefine success. Success isn't about what you can have now. It's about what you can achieve later. Reframe your brain's default setting from scarcity to abundance. This isn't just a mindset shift, it's a strategic pivot. Your brain is capable of incredible transformation. By focusing on long-term achievements, you're not just saving money, you're building an empire. This isn't a sacrifice, it's an investment in your future self. Finally, implement the one decision rule. Each day, make one financial decision that aligns with your growth strategy. This isn't about grand gestures, it's about consistency. The rule is simple: one conscious choice every day that contributes to your financial evolution. Your brain loves patterns. Use this to create a new, productive routine. It's the compound effect in action. This is the key to turning the hidden tax into a visible asset. So here we are, the final act. You've been running on autopilot, buying into the daily caffeine ritual. But now, you see the glitch. Your brain has been playing a game you didn't even know existed. It's not about the coffee, it's about the control. You've been paying a hidden tax, not in dollars, but in potential. The script is flipped. You're not a victim of your habits. You're the architect of your future. As you sip on this new perspective, remember, the coffee trap is a metaphor. It's about the small choices that compound into life's biggest regrets or greatest achievements. You're not here to live a life of micro-rewards. You're here to construct a legacy. Your brain is a powerful machine. The same wiring that led you into the trap can lead you out. You're not here to follow. You're here to design. Here's the kicker. The coffee isn't the enemy. It's a symbol, a reminder that every small decision is a brick in the foundation of your life. You're not just saving money, you're saving your future. The opportunity cost of small indulgences is the real expense. You're rewriting the rules, rerouting your brain's default settings. The coffee trap isn't about sacrifice, it's about liberation. The shift is subtle, but profound. You're not battling against your brain, you're training it. The coffee trap is a lesson in recognizing the invisible levers of life. You're not just a participant in this game, you're the strategist. Every decision, no matter how small, is a move on the chessboard of your life. The coffee trap was never about coffee. It was about waking up. And there you have it. The mic drop moment. You've exposed the hidden tax, the coffee trap. Now, every sip is a conscious choice. Every dollar a seed for tomorrow. You're not the sum of your habits. You're the sum of your awareness. Remember, you're not here to pay hidden taxes. You're here to collect dividends. Welcome to the new game, your move. Let's delve deeper into the psychology of change. You've been living under cognitive biases, but now you've initiated a rewire. It's not just about coffee or any single habit. It's about understanding your brain's default settings and recalibrating them. The brain loves routine because it conserves energy. You've got to disrupt this inertia with intentional actions. This isn't just a personal finance tweak. It's a neurological upgrade. The coffee trap is a microcosm of larger financial behaviors. It's a lens through which you can view all small indulgences. When you focus on these micro decisions, you're actually sharpening your macro financial strategy. It's about creating a feedback loop of accountability and growth. Every time you choose awareness over autopilot, you're compounding your financial intelligence. This isn't just about saving, it's about mastery. Now, let's talk about the ripple effect. As you implement these changes, you influence those around you. Your new mindset becomes infectious. This kind of leadership isn't about telling others what to do. It's about showing what can be achieved. You're setting a precedent, planting seeds of financial literacy that can inspire others. This isn't just a personal journey. It's a community evolution. The irony is that the same cognitive biases that once trapped you can now be your greatest allies. By understanding them, you create a strategic advantage. The brain's desire for instant gratification, once a hindrance, is now a tool for setting incremental goals. You're not just avoiding pitfalls, you're building pathways. This isn't about fighting your brain, it's about partnering with it. So, as you close this chapter, remember, you're not here to merely save money or to break a coffee habit. You're here to redefine how you interact with your financial world. Every decision is a chance to reinforce this new framework. You've turned a hidden tax into a visible asset. Welcome to the next level of your financial evolution. The coffee trap was just the beginning. The real game changer is you. Now let's discuss the hidden power of intentionality. You see, your brain has an innate ability to focus on what you consciously prioritize. When you bring intentionality to your financial decisions, you create a powerful filter. This filter sifts through the noise of unnecessary expenses and highlights what's truly valuable. It's like giving your brain a financial flashlight to illuminate your path. This isn't about deprivation. It's about clarity and purpose. Let's explore the concept of momentum. Once you establish a new routine, your brain begins to recognize positive patterns. It's like building a financial snowball. Each small, intentional choice adds to the momentum, making it easier to continue. Your brain loves efficiency and will naturally gravitate towards what's working. This isn't just about gaining control. It's about building unstoppable financial inertia. Momentum becomes your silent ally. Consider this. Every financial decision is a vote for the person you wish to become. Your brain holds the tally. The more votes you cast for growth, the more your identity shifts. This is identity-based decision-making, where every choice reflects who you are and who you aim to be. You're not just changing habits, you're evolving your identity. This isn't about restriction, it's about expansion. The next step is harnessing the power of reflection. Regularly take a step back to assess your progress. Reflection activates your brain's analytical mode, allowing you to see patterns and make adjustments. It's like having a financial dashboard that provides real-time feedback. This isn't about criticism, it's about fine-tuning. Reflection turns your experiences into a learning curve, not a flat line. Finally, let's talk about resilience. Your brain is adaptable, capable of bouncing back from setbacks. Mistakes are part of the journey. The key is how you respond. Resilience is your brain's ability to learn, adapt, and grow stronger. It's a muscle that strengthens with each challenge. This isn't just about surviving financial hiccups, it's about thriving through them. You're not just building a financial plan, you're building mental fortitude.